2023 Topps Chrome Logofractor 1-box random team AA. $8 a spot. Here is our dice. We don't do snake eyes. Roll again. 8 times. 6 and 2 is 8. Here are our teams. 8 times on the teams. That's 8 times on the teams. And here's our names. 8 times on the names. 30 names. Good. 8 times. Eight. I'm going to paste and give you guys a minute or so to see if anybody wants to do any trades. I've never opened this yet, so I don't 100% know what it is. All right. Thank you. We're gonna sort A through Z, copy and paste. All right. Let me know if anybody wants any trades. We did order more of this. More is coming. All right, last call on trades. All right, good luck. Nolan Gorman. I guess the top is all normal and the bottom is all fancy. All right. Ivan Herrera, rookie. Max Meyer, Marlins. Perazza, Future Stars, Yankees. Waldachuk and Cal Mitchell. Ruiz, Athletics. Juan Soto, Padres, purple. Yordan Alvarez to 250. And pink, Bryce Harper to 199 for the Phillies. That was the break. We'll do a recap here in a second. Then we'll probably do Either another 1-boxer and then a 2-boxer, or maybe we'll just do a 3-boxer. What do we prefer? I have 3 left. Three-boxer. Yeah, that was kind of fast, huh? We should have just did 2 2-boxers. I didn't expect it to fill so quickly. Or we would have just did 2 2-boxers and followed in what Hawk had done. Nobody was talking, so I thought it would take a long time to fill. Alright, we'll do the 3 boxes. Alright, let's do a recap. That was 2023 Topps Chrome Logofractor 1-box random team AA. Thank you for joining.